It's my pleasure to welcome you to the Junction. We provide the very best in skill-building programs, designed as a series of epic quests to get you ready for your next big step. Epic Career Quest!
When do we get jobs?
After we find the true path to success!
I don't want to take things. I want to make things.
Ring-a-ding, wake-up call. There's no one path to success in the job market. Think of the future you want, then walk on through the Power Move portal.
I guess we're all in this together.
I'm Goman. Soak your life.
I'm Princess, by the way.
I'm Prism!
I'm Boombox. Just Boombox.
A new career, oh so fulfilling.
Wow!
My coffee.
I'll pay for your coffee. How much was it?
$47.